A mass rally was taken out last night at Tokpakabui village, decrying the skirmish between Nscn-Im and Zeliangrong United Front ZUF yesterday afternoon at Kaikulong, Tokpakabui village. Now, many Naga civil bodies have been urging both the rival outfits to cease hostility that often resulted in casualties within the Naga communities. In the rally, the protesters used the slogans like "We want peace," "Stop fratricidal killing," "Remain in your dominated areas," among others. In yesterday's shootout that occurred around 1 p.m. between the Naga outfits, at least 2 cadres of the Nscn-Im were reportedly injured. The area falls under the jurisdiction of Loktak Police Station. The ZUF, a breakaway group of the Nscn-Im, recently entered into cessation of operation agreement with the government. ZUF largely operates in Nonay district, particularly in Kopum areas.